Alright guys, so I'm doing my jerk chicken. Alright, I thought I was recording, but I didn't record. I just blend up some of my ingredients. This is my garlic. Alright, my scallion. I do my thing fresh. I'm gonna marinate the chicken now. When the light comes back, I'm gonna finish blending. Alright, so I do everything from scratch, guys. So anybody tell you that they do jerk chicken, they're lying to you, okay? They just want to get your money. And I always think that people get what they deserve. And in life, we get what we deserve. So there's a lot of people who go to the fake places and they buy the fake food. And those people are in business because people don't know people deserve what they get. All right? So some people know better, but they don't do better. So a lot of people, I have made a video the other day of this guy who said he went somewhere and bought some jerk chicken and he spit it out. No, so not some jerk chicken, some oxtail, because the people was always pressuring him to buy oxtail. And he eventually said, I already tried it. And he was so upset. He came by me and he said, listen man, he started quizzing me if I'm Jamaican or not. I said, bro, you can know a Jamaican when you hear a Jamaican speak. Okay? Jamaicans speak a type of dialect. If you try to imitate it, it will show. Alright? So I think he went to a particular place and the persons that run that place, you can have a Jamaican background and live in Panama for many, many years, which is what the situation is. And you sound like a Jamaican, you have a Jamaican passport, just like people from Jamaica and Canada who have Jamaican passport, they can get it, but they were born in Jamaica, they have the heritage, right? So just because somebody brandish a flag and brandish an accent to you, doesn't mean that they are the deal. They're not the real deal. Them are not the real deal. Them are dibby-dibby. So we're not dealing with dibby-dibby thing, yes, so. No dibby-dibby tough stuff we deal with. We deal with the real Jamaican thing. So, like I said, the light went out. When it comes back, I'm gonna finish blending my stuff and finish marinating my chicken. So the chicken is fresh, guys. I do fresh chicken, and I gotta cook some oxtail. But I just want you to see that I do my stuff from scratch. All right? Nobody who said they cook jerk chicken and put whatever the little baby bottle they cook their little jerk chicken in a little baby bottle, they put some sauce on it, or whatever else they use to cook it, only God knows. But I do the real thing. This is the first authentic Jamaican restaurant in this country. The first and the only one. There's no other Jamaican restaurant here. You can say Jamaican in name, but they're not real Jamaican. You test Jamaican by... I get so many complaints about food that people buy from different places. They go to Cabarete. One guy told me he bought jerk chicken and it tasted like pineapple. They had pineapple. So everybody's trying to capitalize. Nobody has the confidence in what they do to make it work. They have to capitalize. I've been here going on 14 years and I've never tried to steal or copy what no one else does. Everybody copies me. There's a restaurant that opened and a couple of years ago, and when they opened that restaurant, the story is one day this person came to my spot when I was on the beach and they was taking pictures of my business. So I said, why are you doing that? They said, oh, I'm just taking some pictures. Next thing I know, they don't even have no shame. Next thing I know, because I used to have Jamaican flags on my table, Jamaican everything everywhere. That was my thing. I'm a leader, not a follower. So I don't respect people who follow and copy me. So next thing I hear, some people telling me, Mosha, you have another restaurant on the strip? I said, no, I only have this. He said, well, I see a restaurant up there up on the strip with flags on the table, just like your restaurant. So then I realized that this guy came and copied everything I did, because they was telling me that them and their family wanted to open one and blah 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 blah, and then they was so it born out of jealousy. I don't like jealous people. I have no respect for jealous people. Then now the next thing you have in Dominican Republic is fake SEMA. They bring the fake stuff from New York here, and I'm gonna tell you something, guys. Everybody's kidding up themselves about Magnum, and Magnum is loaded with toxins. What Magnum does, it stimulates the defense system to produce electrons to defend itself, to neutralize the acid that the Magnum produces. Magnum, that drink, that's why I don't sell it. It produces a lot of acid in the body. So let me tell you something. The body, when you eat or drink anything that's acid, let me tell you what happens. This is why coffee creates a false stimulus, right? Anything that's acidic, the body's first attempt is to neutralize that acid. So what it does, it creates minerals. Or if you got a thing going on in your throat, the body creates mucus to neutralize that acid, or else that acid will destroy the cells. So what the body does when you drink Magnum, the body releases minerals to neutralize those acids, and the body goes into a shock, and you feel this hype of energy, but it's very, very, very unhealthy for you. All right, it's very unhealthy, and I don't sell it. So if you, I have something called Bedroom Bully. If you try that 10 times better, it's all natural. It revitalizes you completely. Okay, so that's what I do. The next thing is, like I've told you, they brought the fake sea moss from New York here, and those people who bring those stuff there, you know, they don't know anything about sea moss. There's two types of sea moss. You watch my videos, you will see me get into it. Two types of sea moss. The sea moss that Dr. Sabi talks about is not what these people have. They have the fake one. That fake gel that looks crystal. It's not crystal clear like that, because you're supposed to see the minerals in it. So that crystal stuff, when they mix it up with this, it's all hybrid. What they do, they farm those in a pool. When you buy a pound of that or a half pound, it's very salty and very heavy because it absorbs the water. Sea moss doesn't absorb water. It absorbs minerals. The ocean has 92 minerals in it. 92. And this is why they tell you that sea moss has 92 minerals, but it's not true. Okay? The sea moss that absorbs most of those 92 minerals, there's two types. Okay? So the one they're selling down here is the same like the fake sea moss they got in the States. All right? So I want you guys to be aware of that. Those are all fake. And the product they're bringing down here is all garbage. Nonsense. It's not going to do nothing for you. I guarantee you, you buy it, it does nothing for you. Nada. All right? So now, anyway, let me get off that. Marinate my chicken, which is what I started out to do, to tell you guys about. So I'm doing this is one stage. You guys, you can cut up your seasoning and rub it on your sea moss, on your chicken. Normally I let this sit for a little bit before I put it in the smoker. I have the wood anyway, so I don't have to worry. I have the wood and the chip that I get, the wood that I get from Jamaica, all of the spice and everything. And sometimes, even though you have that, doesn't mean you know how to make jerk chicken. All right? So anyway, here we go. I got oxtail. Let's see, what is that? Oh God, I got more chicken over there. I got so much chicken. I'm cooking a lot of jerk, guys, because the jerk sells out so quickly. My jerk and my oxtail sell out in a minute. And as soon as it's done, I make fresh ones. All right. And jerk chicken takes a couple of hours, 5-6 hours, maximum 8 hours. So anybody you see making jerk, you know, wherever they're at doing it, I'm sure they're not doing the right. I'm sure they're not doing it correctly. All right. You're not getting authentic jerk chicken. If you're not using the wood, you're not doing jerk. You're not doing jerk, guys. So here we are. All right, so we put a little bit more of my other stuff on it. Where is it? Right here. All right. All right, so this is one of my secret ingredients that I put on. I just want you guys to see me doing my jerk chicken. I don't mind showing you because you can't copy it anyway. That's not the final product. That is the beginning. This is the first stage of my jerk chicken. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 different stages of jerk. Everybody else you see do jerk, you know what they do? They just put it in the grill. They season it up with whatever seasoning they use, put it in a grill, and that's it. and they take it off, rub some stuff on it, and put some MSG. A lot of those guys use MSG on their jerk. All right, I don't use MSG. These are. I'm gonna show you that. You're gonna see when I'm done with this. It's done. So they use MSG to give it a taste. So when you gotta be careful of the taste that you get, the flavor, the taste, that monosodium glutamate. All right. So now, so this is that. Now, I'm gonna blend up now, do a little more blending. Oh, missing one thing. Let's see, where is it? One more thing. One more thing. Alright guys, so give me 1 minute, let me look at the thing. Alright guys, so I'm back. These are my secret rubs that I create to give my chicken the flavor so that they soak in. I hear these guys talking about, oh, they buy jerk chicken somewhere and it's good. I'm like, how could that be good? It's not jerk chicken. People who say they buy something in this island and it's good, they never tasted jerk chicken. They didn't taste the real jerk. So now, guys, I'm gonna finish blending this up. See, I'm gonna finish blending this because the light went out. So now I'm gonna blend that up. While you look at that, in the meantime, you see what's missing. I put a little bit more of this in there. Okay, your jerk's supposed to be brownish, not black. Could be dark, depends on what you do, what you put in it. All right, so now you blend it up, drop it on the so guys, that's it. That's the one stages. Okay, need some of this. All right, put a little vinegar. My jerk is very thick. My jerk sauce is thick. Put a little more water. All right, so now you guys can't see what I'm doing because all right, so now my good, so all right. Okay, now, so here you go. Put in my paste, my jerk paste on the chicken. See that? None of these guys know all these things. They don't know what to put in this. How are they gonna know? They don't know. They're not born in Jamaica. They're not raised in Jamaica. So how are they gonna know? How are they gonna make jerk chicken for you? But you taste it and you say, oh, it's good. Oh, you got some good food. Oh, you got good food. Good food. What? MSG ain't good food, guys. All right? I heard somebody made a comment. Because I know 100% the stuff that I carry with me from Jamaica. Me carry from Jamaica with me. To make jerk chicken, I want me know about my jerk. Them people here where make jerk chicken don't know about jerk chicken, they know about oxtail. They can make one little curry and make it taste alright because them just add some adobo and it tastes okay. But you need to come and try my stuff. Try my stuff. I'm not decrying everybody, people gotta eat, but I'm saying if you're gonna represent my country, represent correctly. All of you people that making Jamaican food, all of you, all across the Dominican Republic, shame on you. You don't know what you're doing. Open a bodega and make some blouse and skirts, some dibby. I'll make a dibby food when I give people talk about when I cook Jamaican food. They ain't cooking no Jamaican food. People need to realize that and stop spending their money there. All right? It's better for you to come and eat Dominican food. Dominican food tastes better than what they're selling you as Jamaican food. I'm telling you right now. All across the island, everybody said they're selling jerk chicken. And they're selling oxtail. Now it's the biggest thing, oxtail. Everybody can make oxtail. Oh, I'm selling oxtail. Hey, but I'm here to tell you guys, I want you to try what I'm doing, and then you will see the difference. See? See that? See that? It's another divvy thing. And I'm going to show you. When we're finished, I'm taking you through the whole gizmo. Right this up. Then I drop this on my smoker. And then when I drop this on my smoker, now it stay there for a couple of hours. Not putting a baby bottle outside at the front of the business and put some steam in it and paper and say, and in a half hour, I say me give jerk chicken. What kind of thing that? Yeah, represent my country, represent correct. Can't tell me say you're Jamaican. If you're Jamaican, you must have shame and pride in what you do. You understand? All them people that sell Jamaican food, they're all in cabaret, I'm tired of them. Cabaret, sosua, wherever them there. Punta Cana, fire pound, go away, back up with that. Back way on yourself. You understand? Back way. Let me show you my grill now. I can't on my corner now when I do my. Alright, see the jerk that I just season up. Now I'm going to make that sit down. I'm not going to say how long because I don't want to let go my secret on nobody. Alright? So watch now. I'm going to my smoke room. This is my smoke room. Alright? This is my smoker here. Alright? That's my smoker. And I have a cover. I'm going to show you my cover. It's kind of dark inside there. See there? I'm a smoker this. Alright? So I'm going to do a part 2 and show you when we start it up. See my room here? Alright? My smoke room. Now I'm going to smoke. Alright? I'm going to come back to now. Alright, so see the chicken now. I'm going to put that on the grill and when I come back, I see it on the other side, guys. No dibby jerk. Real jerk. No dibby. No dibby oxtail. Like what am I going now?